So here I am up in this suspended tile roof, and you can see I've put the batts over on that side there. I don't know how far down there you can see, but I've done all down that way there, around that ducting and stuff. And you can just see out through that bit of a vent there. That's the rest of the factory, and this is the upstairs offices with a suspended tile ceiling. And insulating it is well worth doing. These steel beams that are holding this tile ceiling up are actually so hot that we can't touch them. They're too hot to touch, and it's probably 75-80 degrees in here at the moment, so as hot as a sauna gets. So anyway, so just imagine running a marathon in a sauna, and that's how much heat the aircon's got to compete against when it's trying to cool it down. And if we step down in here, this is the showroom to the wedding dress showroom. So you can imagine how hot this was before we insulated the ceiling, but now it'll make a huge difference.